Hi everyone, I'm Duarte from Cleaning Equipment Manufacturing South Africa and welcome to TechTalk number 15. Today's tip centers around chemical usage in your floor scrubber. Okay, when it comes to chemicals and your floor scrubber, there is no cutting corners. Using the incorrect chemical can cause serious damage to your machine. Therefore, it is absolutely essential that you always use a low foam detergent. This, along with the correct dilution ratio, are key to ensuring your machine is well looked after. Using the incorrect chemical will create foam in the recovery tank, resulting in your vacuum motor getting wet and in turn breaking. For more information or any service-related inquiries, please visit your nearest CEMSA branch or dealership, or visit our website at www.cemsa.co.za. Thank you.